Look at this 2007 Ford Super Duty F-250. Carfax has certified this Super Duty F-250 as having one owner. This Super Duty F-250 has just under 32,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This Super Duty F-250 boasts a 6.0-liter turbo engine and has a 5-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include power driver's seat, CD player, tow package, driver airbag and 12V power outlet. Call 888-852-1606 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.